Hi, yes. I love when I wake up to one of my videos popping off and I got like 1,000 new followers. Now, most of them will be women, beautiful alt women, millennials, just like my niche women. But some of them are men with audacity. And then I end up getting DMs every time. I wake up to like 6 or 7 DMs and they ask me things like, who do you think you are? And some of them are disgusting. Anyways, but to the ones who think I'm here for them, no, no, no. Honey, I want your wife. I do have myself a big, strong, blue collar, 6'1", 260-pound man, and I love him very deeply, but I want your wife. I'm in her DMs.